Welcome to the real life.
I expect you'd like to know about frogmen. Yeah.
They live on fish and catch them by diving onto them from a great height. Deeper and deeper and deeper and deeper, gliding down through the dark green water. He could breathe
Paddling out big shark baits.
On the way down, he passed hundreds of trout of different sizes.
Hit him! Yes! Yes! Yes!
Trout are very valuable.
Unfortunately, no bite.
Keep away from the trout.
Why should it be that the fish in the sea are all unable to sing?
Just listen to me, young fellow. What need is there for fish to sing when I can roar and bellow?
Eating fish. Eating fish.
My precious the bus. This is a fucking loop.
Fish.
Way up here, Brian and I were talking about Greater Barracuda and how big they get and how you catch them and the methods you catch them. And I actually mentioned that every now and then they eat a popper.
To find trout.